There are many mango trees that fail to produce any fruits for several years. There are several reasons for no fruits. The fruit set in mango tree depends on several factors including weather conditions, diseases, watering, pruning and fertilization, but in some mango trees even favorable conditions will not produce fruits. So what to do, how to induce flowers and fruits in such trees? You can force a mango tree to produce fruits by creating some kind of stress on the tree. Slashing or hammering the trunk can be a stress that can induce blossoms and fruits. So hammer the trunk and branches of the mango tree. The tree's self-defense mechanism may produce flowers and finally fruits for its survival.